The stock market closed in the green for the start of May, fueled by strong quarterly earnings from Meta and Microsoft. The Dow Jones is up nearly 0.25%, the S&P 500 up more than 0.5%, and Nasdaq is up more than 1.5% after both tech giants posted stronger than expected revenue. After the close, Amazon also released better than expected earnings. Apple's after-close earnings topped Wall Street expectations, but the company's closely watched services division fell short as it navigates import tariff uncertainty under the Trump administration. That includes the company's music streaming and other product distribution that would be hit hardest by tariffs. CBS News MoneyWatch correspondent Kelly O'Grady is who we turn to in times like these. So, Kelly, what do these earnings tell you? And what does it tell you about really the tech sector in general and how people are perceiving these potential tariff losses?
So Meta and Microsoft, that was a really bright spot, as you said, buoyed the market today. But if you think about it, Meta and Microsoft, the things that we heard were, hey, we're going to keep investing in AI. We feel really good about the space. We have enough money to do that. Meta specifically, big advertising business, said, hey, businesses are
Why is it music to investors' ears that they're still going to go full bore in AI investment?
Because AI is ultimately, over the next 10, 20 years, what is going to be the driver for these companies of growth. And so the idea is, hey, you feel good enough about your business that you're still going to be spending for the future rather than worrying about the present.
Okay.
Now, completely different picture when it comes to Apple and Amazon. Yes, their current quarter was good, but I was just listening to the earnings calls. They're happening right now. Market futures are falling because Amazon said there is tariff uncertainty. They're not exactly sure what's going to happen. Of course, big part of their business, right? Consumers buying products on Amazon Prime. We already know third-party sellers, some items are going to be going up because of the tariffs. And we also know that, Amazon is in a tough spot because a lot of their stuff comes from overseas. They're not manufacturing the stuff. The one bright spot there, they said they've got a lot of inventory, so this next quarter looks good before those tariff increases would hit in real force. Apple, they were in a tough spot. They said that they're going to hit a $900 million increase in costs this current quarter, so this would be April to June. It's the next one that we'll get the results in June. Because of these tariffs.
$900 million.
$900 million. Apple's really taking it on the chin after the bell closed.
And you tell me what that means.
Yes,
so
I did, right? Just like that, the stock. But the other thing is that Tim Cook, Apple CEO on the call, said, I really don't know what the future looks like past June in the back half of the year.
But
and
didn't they get
investors.
that reprieve on cell phone imports? Why are they still expecting it's going to cost them $900 million?
Well, because there's still some, pieces of things. There's also, I think, the concern about retaliation that could be coming. I mean, this tariff war back and forth is really tough. And you also have Apple thinking about, well, do I move some of my production to all of these different places besides China? And that costs money at the end of the day.
So you had mentioned Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
We had reported that they were thinking about displaying the cost of tariffs next to items. And Stephen Miller spoke about that. This is what he said.
This was a clear attempt by whoever proposed it originally, I don't know, because Amazon says they were never going to do it, to try to undermine our trade negotiations with China.
I mean, some could say, look, it would be transparent for consumers to know exactly how much more. Why would the administration be so afraid of that? But what is your read on this?
Yeah, so look, the administration's argument is, hey, you just have a line for taxes and fees. You're not breaking out every little piece. Why would you break out tariffs? That feels like a very timely moment. Amazon, to your point.
A political and hostile act is what Caroline Levitt
said. That's exactly what they said. But to your point, Amazon is also saying, well, we're going to see prices go up immediately. And we want to tell our consumers this is exactly why. Regardless, we know prices are going to go up. We've already seen Amazon sellers raising prices. This is going to be a really tough spot for them. I did mention they've got inventory, so they've got a little bit of a runway. But then beyond that, I mean, every earnings call that I'm listening to where a company depends on the consumer, Amazon specifically, they're going, we're not sure.
Wow. Tesla stock relatively flat this afternoon. The EV's company chair is denying reports that his board is looking to replace Elon Musk. How are investors viewing Musk and Tesla right now?
So they've had a tough run of it, right? I mean, the stock I just checked, it's down over 25% for the year. We saw their earnings report. I mean, they were just getting decimated in terms of sales. Generally, Elon Musk has had a bit of a brand problem with his engagement with the government, with those Doge layoffs, but also Tesla in general has had a tough time with their sales in China. They have a lot of competition. And so investors and folks who are Tesla consumers really wanted Elon Musk to be focused on Tesla. On their earnings call a couple weeks ago, we heard he said, look, I'm going to be back more at Tesla. I think investors are looking for fruits of that labor over the next couple of quarters.
Okay, Kelly O'Grady, thank you so much.